Hi everyone, Petal here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys another Christmas decor that I want to make. So let's get into the items that we'll be needing for this Christmas decor. Okay, I got this picture frame. It's an 8x10 picture frame. I got this frame from Dollarama. Dollar Tree also has frames, but didn't have any in silver that I wanted, and I wanted a silver one. So I got this one from Dollarama. And I got this reindeer here. I got this also from Dollarama, and he has two sides, one silver and one is a clear glass. I like that. And I got it for $4 from Dollarama. And we have this bling wrap from Dollarama, these little stones here, and our bling gems also from Dollarama. And we have our tools, our glue gun, and our scissors. Alright, you guys, let's get started on this Christmas decor. Alright, we're going to start by adding the bling wrap around our frame, which I cut out the lengths that we'll need. So we're just going to glue them all around the frame, you guys.
Baby girl, you great. Oh, baby girl, you straight. He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you. You real recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better give with me. Cause I'm waving. You know I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby. Yeah, I'm waving.
And now we're going to take our gems and glue them all around the outside of the frame, going right round to bling out our frame, you guys. You know I love my bling. And now for the reindeer, I'm just gonna open them up and it can split in two, so we can use one side for our decor. Okay, I'm just deciding which side to use, the clear or the silver side. I think I'll go with the silver. I think it looks much nicer against the bling.
Baby, why's your man not here? Tell me where he go. Tell me why's your man not here? Tell me, why isn't he here? Why isn't he here? Yeah.
And now I'm just adding some rhinestones to his antlers, yeah. Just putting some bling gems on his antlers. I forgot what they were called just a minute ago. I'm having a brain freeze, you guys. Oh boy. And now I'm going to add some gems to the corners, just to give it a little bit more, bling. Alright. And here's our finished look, you guys. Our blinged out reindeer decor. Yeah, you can hang it on the wall, or you can just place it up just like this. A nice little decor for Christmas. And I changed the rhinestones that I had in the corners. I had them in the four corners. I took some out and just left them in two corners and added some small rhinestones around to just give it a nice little effect. And when the Christmas season is done, you can take out the reindeer and you have a lovely 8x10 picture frame that you can place your picture or your loved one's picture in it. That's why I used only the glue gun to put the reindeer on there, so you can take it off when you're done. And this is how I'll be displaying the reindeer for Christmas. Just thought I'd show you a quick way to display it. So I have him on the entry table, and I think he looks so cute. And like I said, you can place it anywhere within your home, on the wall, or like I have it on the entry table, on your dresser, in your beauty room, in your bedroom, anywhere you like to place this Christmas decor. It looks super cute, all blinged out. Alright everyone, thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did for today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already so you can see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye-bye everyone.
Wavy. Ooh, you know.